keeps wanting to hide from me. Doesn't want his video taken. Hold on. There he is. You can't really see him because of the sun, but you can kind of see him. Here's a... not too sure. Past mum, but he's got a yellow face. He kind of looks like a budgie. He kind of looks like a budgie. Sorry about the... yeah, he kind of looks like a budgie, but anyway. He keeps moving. And then there's another one just flew across. Don't know where it went. But it's a nice day, as you can see. It flew over there somewhere. The one that flew over there was a multicoloured, looked like a parrot. Oh, hold on. I can see it. Hold on. Let's go and have a look. Can you see him? That's a better looking one. Where's he gone? Hold on, where's he gone? Shit, I've lost him. Oh no, there he is. Keep losing him. And he flew away. But this one's still here. I can hear one in the tree, but I can't see it. I wish you could see this one better, but the sun is making it goddamn near impossible. Anyway, so this is what this guy's doing. They're building again next door. My guy's upstairs, that's what you can hear talking. Yeah, but anyway, I'm going to love you and leave you now. Anyway, I hope you're having a good day or whatever you're doing. I'm going to love you and leave you here now. I'm going to go and hang out this washing. And yes, I know I need a haircut. Yeah, which I'll get next week. Okay, bye. Please subscribe, comment and like if you liked this video. I know you couldn't really see that bird very much, but anyway.